everyone. Okay, this was found. If someone's missing their bag, it has a poster in it and a bumper sticker in it. So if you can tell me what's in it, you get it back. Okay. That's right, stuff's in it. Yeah, it had to be more specific than just stuff. Okay. Our next speaker has 30-plus years of experience organizing for economic and social justice in Rhode Island's progressive community, including the fight for universal school breakfast while at the Rhode Island Community Food Bank and the defense of reproductive rights for women and health care for all during her time as director at Ocean State Action. She is currently the coordinator of the Protect Our Healthcare Coalition, a group of leading Rhode Island consumer and service organizations and individual Rhode Islanders working together to defend quality, affordable health care for every Rhode Islander. Please welcome Karen Malcolm.
Thank you. Rise up! Rise up! I am so excited to be here today after this amazing victory yesterday. Because of you, your actions, calls, letters, rallies, the stories that people shared about their positive experience with the Affordable Care Act, we held back this malicious scheme that would have robbed 24 million Americans, as many as 110,000 Rhode Islanders, of their quality coverage, all in order to give millionaires a massive tax break. Thank you, Rhode Islanders. You were a part of that victory. The Affordable Care Act repeal was so awful that moderate Republicans couldn't support it. Yet it was so bad that even the Freedom Caucus couldn't support it. But it was community organizing that really led to it lacking enough votes to destroy Medicaid and the essential health benefits that the Affordable Care Act demands in order to prevent discrimination and to make our coverage worthwhile when we end up in the emergency room. I want to mention that we have Senator Josh Miller here with us today. He's a leader in Rhode Island on the issue of health care, and actually this coming week, he is going to be introducing legislation, the 2017 Health Insurance Stability Act, that will put essential health benefits into our own state statute so that regardless of what Trump and his cadre do up in D.C., Rhode Islanders will be covered when they need it. We cannot allow yesterday's victory to make us complacent. Because who's still in power? Those who deny that healthcare is a human right. Those who are willing to deny coverage to working families. Those encouraging open discrimination against women, older adults, the poor, immigrants, and Muslims. Trump states that he's waiting for the Affordable Care Act to explode. And he, with his Secretary of Health and Human Services, Tom Price, will do all they can administratively to make sure that it does. And we cannot let that happen. We must remain vigilant. Rise up! Rise up! Here in Rhode Island, our healthcare system is strong. We have one of the lowest uninsurance rates in the country. We've expanded Medicaid and given our neighbors a way to get good, affordable health coverage. We have insurance, that HealthSource Rhode Island, that doesn't discriminate and that covers essential health benefits like maternity care. And we have no lifetime limits or pre-existing conditions. But we still need to make a state investment in this healthcare system. So we need to stay strong and we need to keep working, and you can take action today. If you haven't yet signed one of these postcards, please do. Our goal is to get 5,000 of these cards signed and hand-delivered to our members of the State General Assembly on Thursday, May 4th, 3 o'clock p.m. We hope everyone can come up. We hope everyone can sign a card, because our guys up at the State House need to know we're there, we're watching. We want a strong system that ultimately covers every single Rhode Islander affordably and with comprehensive care. Rise up! Rise up! All right, I'm going to ask you to do one thing. I want you to take out your phones if you can, because we need to be able to act on a moment's notice. Right now, you need to pull out your phone, and I want you to just enter 3 phone numbers. One phone number is to House Speaker Mattiello. His number is 222-2466. We have a new Senate President, Senate President Ruggerio. We want to get action on our abortion care bill. We want to get action on our Senator Miller bill for essential benefits. Put this number in, 222-6655. And finally, the 3rd number, our Governor Gina Raimondo. She's been good on Medicaid, but we need to make sure she stays good on Medicaid and that she takes action on issues we really care about. Her number, 222-2080. You can find your own legislators at the Rhode Island Voter Information Center, or I'll email it to you. If you sign one of these cards, I'll make sure you know who your state rep and senators are. So for today on the healthcare front, let's take a moment to savor our victory, the victory of our resistance. But tomorrow, be ready again to rise up in action. Rise up!
Rise up!